Wait. I'm not done.
Other way.
You missed the really good burp.
Okay, sure. Please.
Damn it. Dumb bum. I thought it was sneezing for a second. Oh man.
Gay.
Gay? Yeah. You let me choke on my spit. I was burping and it came back out of my mouth. Oh man. It's not working. I think I've had the best spit. I'm crying.
That did not work out for Rachel.
Ooh.
That felt a little wet. That was Chanel.
Excuse me. That's Fiona.
Pop ice cream or water?
Oh, I'm good.
Oh crap. I hope he wants to keep coming. He's coming in other end. Would you like
ice
to pop
cream
ice
and
water?
Ice cream.
Okay. Single or double?
Double.
Of what?
Vanilla.
$2.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Go.
That was
Oh, leave it.
funny. That one was fair.
Hello. You got extra?
Buddy,
Okay.
here's all for you.
Thank you.
Get mine.
Hello. Vanilla?
Yes, please.
I thought you should tell. I'm sorry.
What?
I was going to change it now. I was going to change it now. I'm sorry.
You're kind of cut off on
Mine, I know.
Okay.
at least I'm here. Single?
Fist pump.
Double.
Come on, Jaden. Fist pump with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go like that. Oh, look like I had 2 arms there. It's like, oh my god.
What's on it?
I told you to dip it in the water every time.
Excuse me. Holy crap. That's a big cone.
No.
Enjoy your ice cream,
It's a
please.
double scoop.
Wait, is this one mine?
Yeah, I have mine. Ooh.
Can I have my
No.
back?
Get off of me.
And then you get sat on. I left that part in.
I'll lick you.
There's your fault on you.
I got one.
Don't cut anything out. It's actually pretty funny.
Oh,
so good.
stop! Don't
Then
try
get
to
off
of me. You move your feet, you lose a seat.
We'll get a dog to lick your bum hole.
Oh my god.
What? Here,
I'll find a dog to lick your bum hole.
You move your feet, you gotta move. Hey, move your feet out of the seat so you lose your seat.
Ooh, Pat, you're moving your feet, you lose your feet.
I will. Hey, who did that?
That was Jaden.
That was Fiona.
That was Jaden.
It was me. I kicked her butt.
No, Jaden.
It was me.
You're Jaden.
Sitting on your lap.
morning if I burp, it might come out, so.
It felt really big.
There's your dad, there's your dad.
Can you not? Then get off of me.
Hi, Glenn. How's it going?
What's up?
Stop poking me. Then get off of me. Hey, Daddy, they're $1.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. For
Not
free.
for me.
Why?
Because I'm a good guy.
So what? Everybody here is a good guy.
No, Grandma said that we didn't have to tow Uncle Neil.
For
us.
Aww.
For ourselves.
What about me?
Why do you want to charge me for?
Excuse me.
No.
You have to charge me?
Double.
Wait, I wanted the pop top. I want the pop top.
Get me in the phone.
Pop top, not that thing. So.
We're so ladylike.
No, not at all. I'm just gonna spend money for $1.
Remember Chubba earlier? Excuse me. Remember Chubba earlier? Chantel?
What?
Remember Chubba? We were really back out of the longest. We were like down here. Like, Chubba, Chubba, Chubba. Every time he walked, took out his stomach and went like this.
Are you guys done with your pop?
No.
Alright.
How?
And I
I'll pay you for
That's a big machine.
You don't need to pay me. Yes, I do. No, you don't. You don't need to pay me. Yes, I do. Does he need to pay us?
What?
Does he need to pay us?
No.
See? Okay, then I get a free one. Yeah, no.
Hey, go.
Good, I get a free one then. Nope.
What's so long with sitting here?
I don't know. No one can see you in the iPod.
Ah, they saw me.
When you go get a napkin, you get a boob shot. No, serious. Look. Look.
What?
Look at the camera. You got a boob shot. Look good.
You told me to get a napkin.
No, it's like when you get a napkin.
Oh! Get down! Oh! Oh, okay. No, don't steal my spot.
Or put a napkin on it. Take a dump.
The girl still selling ice cream?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. And you fix me up with one?
Yes.